In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flyer in Canva. We'll go through the whole process from starting a new design to downloading or printing your finished flyer. If you're making a flyer for an event, a promotion, an announcement, or anything else, Canva makes it very simple to create something that looks clean and professional, even if you don't have any design experience. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is where you begin any new project. Once that menu opens, search for flyer. Canva will show you different flyer formats, so choose the size that best matches what you need. For example, you may want a standard printable flyer or a version better suited for sharing online. Picking the right size at the beginning helps avoid resizing problems later. After that, choose whether you want to use a template or start with a blank design. Templates are great if you want a faster, easier starting point because they already include a layout, font pairings, and design elements. If you already have a specific look in mind, starting from blank gives you more creative control. Either option works, so choose the one that feels most comfortable for your project. Next, customize your flyer with your own text, images, colors, and branding. This is where your design really starts to come together. Replace any sample text with your own message, and make sure your wording is concise and direct. Add images that support the purpose of the flyer, and use colors that match your brand or the tone of your event. If you have a logo or brand style, this is a good time to include it so your flyer feels consistent and recognizable. As you edit, make sure your key details are clear and easy to read. This is one of the most important parts of flyer design. Your headline should stand out right away, and important information should not get lost in the background. Keep the text readable by using font sizes that are large enough and colors that contrast well. Give your content enough space so the design doesn't feel crowded. A flyer works best when someone can quickly understand the main message in just a few seconds. Once everything looks the way you want, click Download or print your flyer. If you're sharing it digitally, download it in the format that fits your needs. If you plan to hand it out, use the print option to prepare a high-quality version. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the design one last time to catch any small errors. And that's how to create a flyer in Canva.